French fries and chicken nuggets. Okay, here we go.
We'll all have like 3 or 4 plates going at once. That sounded kind of rude. I didn't take it that way. Oh, there's a cheese.
I've got Greek meatballs.
What are Greek meatballs?
Meatballs with Greek spices. Special secret recipe.
My wife made macaroni and cheese.
It's chicken and jalapenos. They're tamales. And then it's a green salsa, a tomatilla sauce. Yeah, they're fresh. She made them last night.
And we have the Greek style potatoes.
This is a good food today, man.
I've got the Greek potatoes and the tamales and veggies and a salad.
Is that what the pilgrims have?
Probably not.
Thankful for this feast and family and this job.
I am thankful that the sun is out after 5 days of rain. And I'm thankful that I'm off on vacation next week.
I'm thankful for my health, my friends, my family, all my loved ones, coworkers, their health, their well-being.